back, or welcome if you're new here. I am Katrina, and this is Katrina's Prices Home, Life, and More. And by the background noise, you already know, and the scenery, this is an outdoor video. Today it's an outdoor tablescape. The colors are black and white with a little lemon. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. Let's get it. Let's go. I'm Katrina, and this is my lifestyle channel. I share home decor, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, cooking in my Price's kitchen, and days like today, a tablescape. Well, and so much more. I would love for you to join my Price's family. Go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the bell twice. You did it. That's it. Welcome to the family.
To see you crying on your pillow. Never wanted you to feel like I'm not there, but I know that in this life you will have trouble. I just wanna let you know that I'm still writing you love letters. You see how I take care of the sparrow. See how I'm still painting the rainbow, so don't let go of me. Drawing close, all out desperately when you need me the most. I am God, I'm your own. Don't let go. Keep holding go. unchanging faith, unchanging faith. Can trust my plan. I'm still. Don't let go of me. Drawing close. Fall out desperately. When you need me the most. I am God. I'm your rock. Don't let go. Keep holding on to me. You love us when you need me the most. I'm still writing new love letters. Oh.
Shop my Amazon storefront as well as my Walmart storefront. Both are linked in the description box and in the bio for your shopping convenience. And you know they're open 24/7. I sincerely hope that you enjoyed this video so much that you've already given me a big thumbs up, left a kind comment below, because thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow. Well, until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.